one. LCD want to be exact. Your analytical guru, your statistician, stock statistician, uh, your investment guru. Back with some more tips and nuggets, man, for y'all. If y'all trying to practice best practices and also build wealth, now that the market has taken a little dip, okay? S&P 500 before closing yesterday, I think it was down 800 points. So, um, this may be a good look right here to start buying more stocks, okay? But anyway, as y'all know, man, the tech sector is probably the number one sector to purchase stocks out of. However, due to this conflict in the Middle East over the oil situation, Iran, and I think it's Palestine, Pakistan, or what I think you guys probably want to look into the energy sector and start buying oil, okay? I got a few of them, a couple of ticker symbols here that y'all probably want to look at because these are some cheap stocks. Probably you can value, you probably can, dollar cost average in and get these stocks right here. But these are something that probably can be afforded if you're on a budget. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all like five. Let me say I got one, two, three, four, five. I got six of them that you guys can look into real quick. Hold on, so y'all can start to build up your portfolio, especially with the oil. Now Richard Fang, he the one that really is motivating this strategic move that I'm about to do with this blueprint. Um, Start buying oil because this conflict may escalate, and if there is a war, I mean the war has already started with them over there. But we're in the middle of the situation, and I was just hearing like in the other break room, one of my coworkers said they paid Trump $3 billion, you know, just to keep everything a little bit stable. Okay, and if y'all didn't know, today is Trump's birthday. So they doing a lot of protesting outside, walking around, um, you know, because of that fact. But anyway, we're gonna take advantage of this, man. All my wealth builders out there trying to make it to the next level. Buying these stocks, man. These paper assets, to try to accumulate some wealth for yourself, no matter what's going on, because um, yeah, you never know what's gonna happen next. And it took a long time for me to get back to this point because this is where I was supposed to have been at about 5 years ago, but went through a little changing, with this situation I'm in with the security and, the job changed and, my site closed and it just backed my blueprint up, but I'm back on it, and now getting back a little bit normal. I'm gonna do whatever I can to get this money into the right place. So, I'm just prepared. I'm ready. I got my car across the street now. Took a long time to get to that process, and sometimes after work I'll be Ubering, Lyfting, whatever it's gonna take to get that extra income, that extra passive income, so I can invest this money, put it away now. Because you never know what's gonna happen over the next course of these next 3 years, and I'm gonna be prepared like I was prepared the first time when COVID hit. He had about 20K in the crib, but this time, this is a little bit smarter play. I got money into the stock market. So having these paper assets is probably your best bet, pretty much in America. So you can't go wrong. Like I mentioned in the last not statistician, but your investment guru report last week. I was telling y'all that I was investing in a few more other stocks that I didn't mention. Uh, and one more I'm gonna mention right now, O'Reilly Auto Parts. That's a good look because they did a 15 to 1. I think I reported to y'all about a day ago. O'Reilly Auto Parts did a 15 to 1 stock split. So the split went into effect Monday, and they did start trading exactly on Monday for the new price. So when I current last looked at it, it was at $89 a share, and I'm gonna start buying that, the auto parts, and then also this oil. That's gonna be the new uh, stock that I'm gonna add to my portfolio in this investment plan. Um, but anyway, I got the ticket symbols for y'all, man. So y'all probably wanna write them down real quick. We'll take a look at them. Um, PHX, uh, The company is called Phoenix Energy, PHX Energy. Y'all want to take a look at that. Then EPD. Just look up the ticker. Some I don't got time to look at the name because I got to go up here and do my detail. EPD is the next stock. WMB. Take a look at that one. XOM. COP like COP, and then CVX. So these are the 5 or 6 ticker symbols. One, two, three, four, five. Go take a look at them. They all affordable prices that you can get. These are oil stocks, and all these companies, their market caps are over 50 billion. So Richard Fain was saying, whenever you look for a stock, whenever he looked for a stock, so now I'm looking for a stock and I'm passing it on to y'all. Y'all want to make sure the company has at least a market cap of at least 20 billion. I think I got that from this one YouTuber. She said that's how she look at her stocks. 10 to, at least 10 to 20 billion is that's starting off average. And then let you know that company is earning money, and it's a company that's probably gonna sustain over time. And you really won't take no losses on y'all on your in your investment. But once again, I'm gonna give y'all the stocks again. Just the oil sector, energy sectors, okay? I got more. I got the whole list. But these are some of the ones I'm going to jump right on immediately next week. The first one is the Phoenix Energy, PHX Energy. Next one, EPD, WMB, XOM, COP, and CVS. Go look up these ticket symbols on whatever apps y'all using, Robinhood, Weeble, Moo, Vanguard, whatever y'all using, man, to buy your stocks. Go check these out, man. And like I said, I'm gonna keep y'all abreast of what's going on as time, persists on and stuff, and let y'all know what's going on with this war situation. Y'all probably watching the headlines, but I'm getting the information from Richard Fang on what's next. So he was saying this is the next thing, the next trend. Start buying oil stocks immediately. So we can capitalize off of this. But anyway, I got to get up out of here. This your investment guru, LCD1 be exact. Once again, like I said, make sure I like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with some more best practices and tips and nuggets on wealth building, man. If y'all into that, okay, because this is where it's at. But anyway, I gotta get up out of here. I'll y'all next video.